So you've been to Douarnenez and seen it on fêtes, seen it with the boat festival, but it is an ordinary little fishing port, and it would be nice to just have a wander around now the festival has finished. S'il vous plaît, madame, est-ce qu'on pouvait acheter un demi-queen Amann?
Oui, bien sûr.
Voilà. Ah, très bien. This is the classic Douarnenez, what do you call it, pudding? It's made with butter and flour and butter and sugar and butter and salt and butter and extra butter just to be certain it's got enough butter in. It's cooked in an oven. It caramelizes, so you get this lovely taste of caramel. Mmm. Mmm.